This place feels like magic, wrapped in ocean green. In the summer, frogs are singing like a hidden symphony. In the winter, water whispers slow and steady through the trees. And every now and then a shadow moves, a deer just passing me. I didn't know how much I needed a world that lets me breathe. Out here where the quiet lives, time don't rush, it just forgives. Every worry I carried in slips away with the wind. No neon lights, no crowded skies, just stars waking up my eyes. In the stillness I finally hear everything that matters here. Maybe we were never meant for all that noise and discontent. Maybe peace was always found in the space between the sounds.